Foundation settlement occurs when the soil under your home can't support the weight. That's where Baird Foundation Repair takes over. We offer a lifetime warranty because we do things the right way and have been since the 60s. Baird Foundation Repair is your KSAT.com local expert.
Do you have cracks in your foundation? Doors and windows that stick? Is your chimney pulling away from the house? Do you have sagging or bouncy floors? Are there cracks in the drywall inside your home? These are all signs of foundation settlement. Foundation Supportworks can fix these problems and put your foundation on solid ground. Are your basement walls cracking or bowing in? Left untreated, these problems only get worse. Schedule a free foundation inspection and written estimate here today. Stair-step cracks in brick and block walls are a sign of foundation settlement. So are doors and windows that stick, sagging floors, drywall cracks inside, and chimneys that pull away from the house. This is often caused by the soil under and around your home shrinking when it dries and swelling when it gets wet. Foundation structural problems always get worse if left untreated and never get better by themselves. Foundation Supportworks can fix your foundation problems permanently. Schedule a free consultation and written estimate here today. Is your home settling and cracking? Are your walls and floors settled, uneven, and cracked? These problems always get progressively worse over time and can cause doors and windows to stick. Ugly cracks, water leaks, can affect your property value and, in extreme cases, cause structural failure. But did you know that Foundation Supportworks, the largest structural repair company in North America, can fix your home's structural problems permanently? Schedule a free foundation inspection and written estimate here today.
Don't put your best investment in the hands of someone you don't trust. Baird Foundation Repair is your KSAT.com local expert.